Hi everyone, this is the SAIBABU Commerce Lecturer. Welcome back to GSB Commerce Academy. Today, I'm going to explain about Intermediate Commerce First Year's Basic Learning Material. Now, I'm going to explain about Intermediate Basic Learning Material, Commerce First Year, the Unit 1, Fundamentals of Business. I would like to discuss very short answers questions, very important 2 marks questions in this class. The first one is the economic activities. The first question is economic activities. The economic activities, this is the first type of human activities. Economic activities, this is the first type of the human activities. The human activities mainly classified into two types. The first one is the economic activity and second one is the non-economic activity. So here the economic activity, this is the first type of human activity. Which all are the activities, human activities undertaken with the earning of money? Which are the activities undertaken with the earning of money? Those all are the activities are called economic activities. Means the human activities, which are the activities including in the money related activities. Those all are the activities are called economic activities. These are the including, for example, production, exchange, distribution of goods and services. These all are the activities are related to the economic activities. For example, exchanging of goods and services and production of goods and services, it incurs the some of the expenses. These all are the expenses or money related expenses in terms of money activities. And the distribution of goods and services one place to another place, here it is incurred the some of the expenses. The expenses, it is the money related activities. The selling of goods and services, here whenever we have to sold the goods, we have to receiving the some of the money. So this is also called these activities the money related activities. Means these all are the activities are the economic activities. All the activities are performed by the human activities by the rendering of, by the intention of earning of the money, all the economic activities. So here the human activities, the economic activities, the main intention, it is the earning of the money. So it includes the economic activities, mainly including the three types of economic activities. Those are the first one is the business, second one is the profession, and third one is the employment. These all are the three types of main economic activities. This is the first very important 2 marks question. And next one is the very important 2 marks question for the I.P.E intermediate business. What is the meaning of business here? The business, it is an economic activity. I told already, the business, it is one of the type of economic activity. So business, it is the economic activity. It is making the profits by manufacturing or buying and selling of goods and services. The manufacturing or buying and selling of goods and services, it is earning the profits. The main objective of business, it is the profit maximization. In simple terms, the business is nothing but the buying and selling of goods and services for earning the more profits. This is called business. Here, the business is one of the human activity, means it's the economic activity. It's directed towards the producing or manufacturing or acquiring the wealth or earning the profits through the buying and selling of goods and services. This is called business. This is the first type of economic activity. And the second type of the economic activity, that is profession. The profession, it is an occupation or vocation interested in the rendering of personal service of a specialized and expert nature. In simple terms, the profession is a person is a specialized knowledge of talents or skills rendering the personal services in the field of specialized subject. Okay, this is the profession. For example, a lawyer, one of the profession. Doctor is the one of the profession. Chartered accountant is the one of the profession in our India. This is the second type of economic activity. And the employment, this is the third type of the economic activity. This is also very, very important for the 2 marks in the intermediate I.P.E examination purpose. The employment is the relationship between the two parties, where the one party is the rendering his services on contractual basis, and another party is the providing of the job opportunities. In this employment, there is a two parties is there. One party is the employer, another party is the employee. Here, the employee is rendering his services on contractual basis. For performing these activities, the employee is receiving the remuneration in the form of wages and salaries. And this is the employment is the agreement of contractual rendering of services. This is the agreement may be oral or written form. Here, the employer is providing the job opportunity and the employee is rendering the services. And between the employer and employee, the relationship between the two parties main, that is the employer and the employee is relationship. This is the third economic activity. And next, last important very short question in this first chapter, there's the risk and uncertainty. Risk and uncertainty. Okay, risk in a business involves some element of a risk and uncertainty. Every business, it cannot earn the profits always, and it cannot earn the risk always. It cannot incur the losses always. Why? Because the future is the uncertainty. It is cannot expect the future, a businessman. So here the risk means possibility of loss, and it implies the uncertainty of a profits. Here the risk is a possibility of loss or fearing of a loss. Here the profits is generally depends on the efforts of a businessman. Okay, clear. So the businessman, you have to ready to bear the risk, and for the enjoying of the profits, you have to do the more efforts. You can put the more efforts for the smoothly running of the business. Okay, this is the risk and uncertainty. These all are the very, very most important 2 marks questions. Very short answers question in this introduction of business or fundamentals of business. This is very, very, very important 2 marks question for the I.P.E intermediate examination purpose. So students, all of you watch my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.